Right, New Year's Day ride. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Hard ride today. Went out last night. Drunk a bit too much. Now try and burn it all out the system. Start the year as we mean to go. And try and get a lot of racing in this year. So, yeah. Surrey Hills for the day. Come on. Right, top of the viewpoint. The view from up here never ceases to amaze me. Incredible. I ride on my new bike, Cube Action Team 177 2026. Just give you a little bike check. So it's got the new Shimano Di2 XT wireless gearing. Runs straight off the motor, so no batteries involved. I've got the Hope 155 e-bike crank arms, DMR volt pedals, Fox transfer dropper, really nice. Riding the Ergon EMTB seat. Got Fox 38s batteries on the front with the new XT brakes and ABS. ABS didn't work on the last run. These new XT levers are nice as well. I had the old XT levers, but these new ones are really nice. Rental stem, carbon bars, got the new kiosk screen, just tweaking with all the settings, and the Ergon grips, so nice, with the muck off bar ends. Yeah, so far loving the bike. If you're interested in getting one, I'd just do it. Let's go ride some trail. Alright, first trail of the day. Oh, pick a line. Oh, my body feels rattly today. Like a fucking washing machine. Bike's riding mint though. Steep. Yeah, nice. Onto the road. Riding with my brother James, my mate Aaron and my mate Kev today. I'm mainly just going to ride the bike in auto, tweak the settings on it, see what it's like in battery life, and that's the nice thing about this Gen 5. You can modify all the watts, newton meters, how hard you want the assistance. I've just put turbo to max everything and it's mental, but auto seems to be my favourite setting, I think. Right, let's get up this hill and do another. Gosh, she's steep this one, look. Jesus Christ. Oh, we're supposed to do nice mild ones on New Year's Day. He wants to come here and get all gnarly. What the fuck is that? Little gappage.
You might want to snap it out.
What have you done? Oh.
Now a bespoke bike.
So James has broken his bike. He rides a sick Trek. Build quality is primo. I'm going to go and be the stopper, so if anyone crashes into anyone, it'll be me. As they send it off that little drop. Come up here and turn around. You boys must have the tools. Jim, are you off the track? Are you off the track? No.
Why not? No?
No. No. No.
Well, not sure how good an idea this is. Just been over this first jump, snapped a spoke, pulled up on the second one, so took the camera off of Charlie, going up for another run. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully the wheel don't pringle. Pretty rough. Wait for these boys to come down then.
Into another. I'll let my brother have the camera for those couple of jumps. Naughty drop. Oh, it's like line choice here, isn't it? Going this way. Oh, my helmet and glasses are wobbly today. So fucking annoying. Nice. Yo. Clunky, clunky. That was a fucking slippy route back there. Oh, sniper routes everywhere. No one knows. We're just going to send it into something at some time. Boom, boom. Mountain biking's not enough for Aaron. He decided to run 17k this morning. And he's riding an e-bike. Do you think that's cheating? I mean, comes out, runs 17k and then rides an e-bike all day. And we're in. Whoa! Like a little double drop. I should have took that inside line there, I reckon. Looked a bit better. Riding is completely blind. Whoa, I've gone the wrong way there. They went up around there and I just fucking didn't see it. Like hippage there. That tree's slippy, mate. Fuck me. Didn't know what was going on there at that tree. Oh, you're on the road, didn't you? Right, I've gone the wrong way. Sweet.
This is a different trail, Charles.
On it then. Carb on it. Boss, let's go. Camera's on. Oh, loamy. The loam to hide the sniper roots. Bit of flat transition in here by the looks of it. I'm sure we're going to something now. No idea what. Cheers, mate.
Okay.
One more behind you. Thank you. Thank you. I keep accidentally changing the mode. I don't know if anyone else is having that on these little mini controllers. So sensitive. I just keep tapping it without realising and look down on a different motor mode. Holly bush. Oh. God, get skinny.
Kev didn't get brushed.
Right, supernova. Can't get my feet on the pedals properly. Right. Yeah, but just pumping that one. Oh, my legs are dead. Oh, my legs are so tired.
ridiculous, isn't it? Speaker,
That's his bell, mate.
but it's also a bell.
Go on, Jim.
That's sick.
But if you give it a when we did a race,
It's a long press. It's a long press.
Yeah.
did the race at Lawrence at where was it? Mini
Forest of Dean.
Enduro.
Yeah.
And I said to Lawrence was in between me and Mark. I said to him, if I catch you, I am going to press it. Yeah. I didn't have to press it.
He went ham for leather, mate. He did not want that coming up behind him, did he?
And he beat you, didn't
Beat me on that trail by about fucking 4 seconds, yeah. You put a rocket up his ass, mate.
Jim's chasing down every trail with
Yeah.
the threat of
Yeah.
the horn.
Literally doesn't want to hear that at all.
That speaker is like full fucking e-bike wanker mode though, innit? Like, just like cruise up a hill, one hand, it'd be like Biggie playing on it or something, do you know what I mean? Like, morning, Red Bull in one hand, vape in the other hand, riding no-handed.
Saying that, on the front of the...
Go for it. Alright, bottom end of Supernova now. Big props to the trail builders on this one, done such a good job. Not sending this one. Oh, a couple of different bits there now. Oh, legs are dead. Oh, that's a new one as well, look at that. A lot of work done on this trail. Sick though. Sick New Year's Day ride. Surrey Hills. Start the year off as we mean to go on and do a bit more racing. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.